Intro. Narrator, calm, curious tone. What if there's another you out there living a completely different life? What if somewhere beyond what we can see or even imagine there exists a parallel universe? A world where time, choices, and even reality itself twist in unimaginable ways. In today's episode of Mind Flip, we explore the mind-bending question: what if we found a parallel universe? Would it rewrite everything we know about physics, religion, even ourselves? What is a parallel universe? Narrator. Let's begin with the basics. A parallel universe, also called an alternate reality or multiverse, is the idea that there could be other versions of our universe coexisting with ours, but operating under slightly different rules or timelines. In some of them, small things are different, like you wearing a red shirt instead of a black one today. In others, entire histories might have changed. What if Hitler had won World War II? What if dinosaurs never went extinct? This isn't just science fiction. Some of the world's greatest scientists, like Stephen Hawking, Michio Kaku, and even Albert Einstein, have discussed the possibility of alternate realities. Scientific theories behind the multiverse. Narrator. Several theories in modern physics hint that parallel universes could be real quantum mechanics. According to the many worlds interpretation, every time a choice is made, the universe splits into different paths. You chose coffee this morning? In another universe, you chose tea. String theory. This theory suggests there could be up to 11 dimensions, and what we experience is just a tiny slice. Other dimensions could hold other universes. Cosmic inflation theory. After the Big Bang, our universe expanded rapidly, but what if it wasn't the only one? Some scientists believe countless bubble universes may have formed too. If any of this is true, we are living in just one of potentially infinite realities. What if we actually found one? Narrator. So, what if we didn't just theorize about a parallel universe, but actually discovered one? Let's say scientists detect strange cosmic radiation, or a rip in space-time, and inside that rift we see another world. Not through science fiction, but real instruments. Would we try to make contact? Would their version of humans even recognize us? Could entering their world destroy ours, like mixing chemicals that should never touch? And here's the creepiest thought. What if your other self saw you and tried to replace you? The consequences would be unimaginable. Religions might collapse or evolve. The idea of fate, destiny, even God might be redefined. Some might see it as proof of higher intelligence. Others, as the beginning of the end. Psychological and moral implications. Narrator. Now, let's look at the personal side. If we knew parallel versions of ourselves existed, would we feel more free or more trapped? Imagine knowing that somewhere you're a millionaire or a criminal or someone who never met the love of your life. Would you envy that version of you? Or would you feel relief that your path was your own? Would people try to cross over to live a better life? Governments might try to control who goes where. Could it start wars not between countries but between universes? Could we ever travel there? Narrator. Let's say the laws of physics didn't stop us. Would we build portals? Could AI help us navigate those worlds, maybe even replace us in those realms? But the question remains, should we even try? Every action in a parallel universe might have unpredictable consequences. We might bring back a virus, a weapon, or a being that doesn't belong here. It's the ultimate Pandora's box. Outro. What does it all mean? Narrator, calm, reflective tone. So what if we found a parallel universe? Maybe we'd understand more about the cosmos. Maybe we'd finally meet our true selves. Or maybe, just maybe, we'd learn that the most important universe is the one we already live in. Because no matter how many other versions of you may exist, there's only one living this life right now. Thanks for watching Mind Flip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this made you think a little differently. Until next time, keep questioning reality.